Welcome to DelftStack. In this tutorial, we will explore how to manage users in Linux using terminal commands. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through listing, adding, modifying, and deleting users efficiently. Let's get started. To list all the current users, both system and local, type the following command. And you will see a full list of user accounts on the system. To add a new user, run the following command. Type your password when prompted. Now set a password for the new user. You will be asked to retype it to confirm. Oops, don't worry. Let's try again. Once that's done, you will be asked to provide additional information such as full name, room number, etc. You can just press enter to skip those fields or fill them if needed. And that's it. We have successfully created a new user. Let's double check. To change an existing username, use the following command. This will rename the user. You can verify the change using the user listing command we used earlier. To update a user password, run the following command. Enter the new password, retype it, and the password will be updated successfully. To delete a user from the system, follow this command. This removes the user account, but their home directory still exists. To remove the user's home directory as well, run the following command. And now the user and their directory have been completely removed. We have covered this adding, modifying, and deleting user accounts. For more tutorials, check out our other videos on Linux administration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates.